Hey, what up guys, Running Reviews here, and today we're going to be looking at a Energizer flashlight up for review today. Alright, so it's a very simple flashlight, but very useful. It has a stand. It's going to stand up. It has a red light and 3 clicks for different lights on the other button. 2 buttons up top. Bright, dimmer, 2 lights, off. Red light, off. To change the batteries is very easy, and I like this a lot. Flip this open button up, and boom, your batteries come right out. All in one piece. Close that back up. Very simple. Just lock that back up. Alright guys, buy this flashlight. Don't know what it's called, but whatever, it's a flashlight. Look it up. Look up Energizer flashlights. Find this one. Buy it. Good. Simple. Easy. Buy it. Goodbye. Have a great day. Running Reviews is now exiting the channel.